had no idea you could make pudding in just a minute and a half. To start, we need 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and microwave in 30-second intervals until it forms a syrup. The time may vary depending on your microwave's temperature. Be very careful as it can burn easily. For the mixture, we need 1 egg, 8 tablespoons of milk. Mix well, then add 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can use any brand of condensed milk you prefer. Now to finish, just mix everything together really well. And look at that, folks, it's already done. Take the syrup out of the microwave and spread it all over the mug. Then spread our mixture and microwave it for just a minute and a half. Put it in the microwave, turn it on, and after 90 seconds, it'll be this consistency. Check it out, everyone. A delicious pudding made with just a few simple ingredients. It's a super quick, easy, and practical recipe that tastes amazing. I'm sure it'll satisfy that sweet craving after lunch. And that's another recipe for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you next time.